Hey everyone, it's Brandon Lindsay, CPA out of Indianapolis, Indiana. And today what I want to talk to you about is W-9s. This is a popular question from people who are just starting a new business and they're at a point where they are just about to get their first customer or they're about to do business with the new customer, and this person is asking you now to submit a W-9. So first, congratulations to you, because all your hard work is paying off and you got customers coming through the door. So now, what is a W-9? Well, a W-9 is a request for your taxpayer identification number and a certification of that number. So the person's requesting this information because more than likely, they're probably going to issue you a 1099 at the end of the year for the services or the goods that you're providing them. But in order for them to issue you your 1099, they first need to get a W-9 from you. So what is a W-9? Like I said, it's a request for your taxpayer identification number and a certification. So what that means is this. So they send you the W-9, you look at it, you fill out your name, you fill out your address, you actually give them the taxpayer identification number, which is either going to be your social security number or your EIN. And then you also are telling them, what is your tax classification? Are you a single member LLC? Are you a partnership, or you're a corporation, or you're an LLC taxed as some type of partnership or corporation? And then the last step of that is to actually certify that under penalties of perjury, the number that you're giving them is legit and it is correct and it's yours. And you're also saying that you're not subject to any type of backup withholdings. So that's what the W-9 is. So now I want to give you an example. So let's say you have a trucking company. You've been working hard. You finally found a load off the load board, or you're working with a broker. So let's say you're working with a broker. So if this is a new broker you're working with, as a part of the new vendor packet, the new carrier packet, they're going to send you a W-9. So on that W-9, you'll give them all the information I've told you that you'll give them. And then at the end of the year, they're going to probably issue you a 1099. Now on that 1099 is going to have all the money that broker has actually paid your company for the year. So that's just a quick overview of what the W-9 is, kind of how it plays into the 1099 process. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, you can just send me an email or you can leave comments below. Thanks. Bye.